Hey, what's up guys? Happy Monday and welcome back to our shop here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a Tacoma compilation today. We have 3 tacos up on all 3 racks right now that we're gonna get down and dirty with. For this cement gray Tacoma, we're doing a Bilstein 5100 setup on this one, all around with some Old Man Emu front lift springs, an add-a-leaf system in the back, and SPC upper control arms. Here, we're removing the factory TPMS sensors to swap over to the new wheels and tires. Over to this black Tacoma here, we're doing the Fox 2.5 Factory Race Series coilovers in front with the SPC upper control arms and a set of Fox 2.0 remote reservoir rear shocks. And swinging over to this Cavalry Blue Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4, we just did a high clearance bumper cut on this one and we're gonna roll it out now. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always show up for some in-person consultation, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Our regular business hours are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekdays and 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturdays, and we do close on all major holidays. Our tech is seen here cutting off the excess threading from the retainer bolt after installing our add-a-leaf system on this Tacoma. Swinging over to the front end, we've installed the Bilstein 5100 shocks with the OME lift spring and SPC upper control arms. Over in the rear end, the add-a-leaf has been installed with the 5100 rear shocks. Wheels here are the SCS Ray 10s in a 17 by 8.5 -10 offset wheels that we're wrapping up in a 285/70/17 tire. Do keep in mind that SCS is a D2C company, which is a direct-to-consumer company. You can purchase it from their website and they'll ship them to you. The Fox setup has been installed on this Tacoma, so the wheels and tires are getting put back onto the vehicle. As you can see, the old suspension setup was done for. You can even see it on the tires and how they are cupping. Have you guys been to our new website? Check it out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We're slowly adding products, so if there's anything that you want and do not see on there, send us a message and we'll make sure to add it and even give you a discount code when possible. Our tech is seen here assembling the front Bilstein 5100 shocks with the Old Man Emu lift springs. This Barcelona red Tacoma is going with a set of KMC impact wheels. These are a 17 by 8.5 size, 0 offset in a matte black finish that we're wrapping up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. And in order to clear the 285/70/17 tires on the 17 by 8.5 wheel with a -10 offset, we're doing a body mount chop on here. With the same exact lift, the Bilstein 5100 setup, OME lift spring, add-a-leaf, and SPC upper control arms, this right here does not require a body mount chop if you run the tires and the wheels chosen here. We're doing the 285/70/17 BFG KO2s on a 17 by 8.5 with the 0 offset KMC impact. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Back over to the cement gray Tacoma, our tech is welding on the block-off plate that he will then form the edges on to make it look as OEM as possible. And a closer look at the rear end here, you can see the add-a-leaf has been installed along with the Bilstein 5100 shocks. Our suspension tech is now going over all of its nuts and bolts, making sure that they're torqued down properly and marking it with a white paint pen. So the wheels and tires are okay to go on now. This is what we call our best bang for the buck suspension setup. If you want something like this for your vehicle and you're not local to us, go to our website, 88rotorsoffroad.com, click on suspension under the Bilstein packages, and you can find this one and get it shipped to you. And back over to the cement gray Tacoma, the BMC is now complete. Next up, we have a Cavalry Blue Tacoma that's getting a Prinsu cab rack from us installed. These Tacomas have such limited storage space in the cab, so this will definitely maximize its storage capabilities. We're also installing an 83-liter Rome rugged case along with some quick release mounts. We are an authorized stocking dealer for Rome products, so if you want the best prices on in-stock cases, look no further. We're also an authorized stocking dealer for Prinsu Design products, so if you're looking for a cab rack for your Tacoma, reach out to us anytime to schedule an appointment to get one installed. This customer is not yet ready for a light bar, but he did purchase the one with the 40-inch cutout and is prepared for one when he's ready for it. I love the Rome 83-liter rugged case as it has a very low profile and does not look too bulky up top. As of today, November 6, 2023, we have quite a few of these racks in stock and cases as well. We also stock the lid organizers, bags, and quick release mounts for them. If you're looking for a premium storage solution, Rome is for you. Next, we're going to do a high clearance bumper cut on this Cavalry Blue Tacoma. Next up, we have this white Tacoma that's coming in for an Icon lift setup. And over here, we're doing another popular Bilstein 5100 setup with OME lift springs, AAL, and our SPC upper control arms. For this Icon setup that we're doing here, we're doing the 2.5 IR front coilovers adjusted to about 3 inches of lift with some tubular delta joint upper control arms. The rear is getting a 3-leaf add-a-leaf, also known as Icon's Mini Pack AAL, and damping it with a set of 2.0 remote reservoir shocks. Since this Tacoma came in with a spacer lift, it was already high enough to clear some 285/70/17 tires that they mounted up on some Method MR703s in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. And this is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care, guys.